I'm really thrilled to be here, very specifically because as a practitioner, I think having access to this information, often what I find, I've done marketing and communications in this town for many, many years in the cultural arts, performing arts, and often I think we don't use enough data to make some decisions. And it's really a balance between having the information and then figuring out what works the best for us and in our communities. And so for me, I really see this as the start of an ongoing conversation, and quite honestly, I think it's a conversation that a lot of us have been having, but to actually see it starting to come together is really exciting, because you can start feeling the pieces. You can see where some of the data is supporting some of the work that a lot of us have already been doing. We've identified areas in which there's some successes and where there's been some challenges. And that to me is a really exciting thing. To be a part of that discussion at the early stages means that if I can bring a little bit of my background and experience to help shape that, it's really important. I am passionate about the arts, but I'm particularly passionate about it in the ethnic communities. For me, it's really important as a Latina in Los Angeles that we are thinking about the diversity that makes up this county, and that we are talking to the communities, that we're sensitive to the communities, not just the Latino community, but across the board. It's such a diverse county in LA, and understanding that culture, arts and culture, don't just happen at a traditional performing arts center, but that they're happening in people's communities, in people's neighborhoods, and that what you and I may traditionally think is a cultural arts event is really different for somebody who comes from the San Gabriel Valley or out in Agua Dulce, and so to be able to be looking at it with that wide lens, that to me is what will make us as arts and culture professionals be better at what we do.